What's up, guys? Tanananlu. Okay, so today I'm teaching about Ngometi. Africa will be saved. The Holy Spirit must come down and Africa will be saved. Okay, let's get into the video, guys. No time waste. Okay, go to your transpose and switch to number 6. I'm using number 6. This song was requested by Isaac Sibanda. Okay, that's it. But first we need to okay, that's it. The song goes like this. I'm gonna play a few lines, then I come back, I break it down. I'm gonna play a full segment, then come and break it down. Okay, the song goes like this. That's a full song. Okay, correct me if it's not. Okay, the breakdown goes like this. So like number 6, you start from here, from number 6. Okay, you see again. Bese kuba nale part ethi and Africa will be saved. Okay, leyo part ihamba kanje. It goes like this. Okay, and Africa will. Yeah, there is a minor chord. Okay, be saved. Like you can put this also the minor chord, but I don't recommend it if you are still learning. Be saved. like, you cannot, you can skip using number 6 when you are starting over. When you like, you can say you can use this chord. Okay. You can rope it when you like, but I want you to teach you the original way of playing it. As time goes on, you can rope. You see, you can, when you like, you can go. You can just go to number 2. But skip that, guys. I want you to teach you the original one. So when you like, you can do this. When you like, okay, no. That's it, my friends. That's the song. You'll never go wrong here. You'll play like a professional if you play like this. Straight song. Don't put other things, maskani, what? See, when you're playing like it end, like clean it end. See this part. Last time. I like to use this buzz. Make your playing nice, you see. that's it, guys. That's the song. Enjoy, guys. Keep learning. I will post more tutorials, guys. Have a great day. Subscribe to my channel. Comment. Donate if you like. There are links and information in the description. That's it, guys. Have a great day. Music is nice, guys. Music is nice. I will post my instrumentals, my features here on the channel. Ngadideki khona manye abazocula, then play with them. Kodwa my tutorials will forever be here. Instrumentals are coming. Icolo Levangeli is coming here. I will play Icolo Levangeli, then play the lyrics on the video for abafuna ukuthanda ukuyifundela ingoma zicilongo levangeli ticula kanjani, ihamba kanjani ama words. That's it, guys, and you can recommend it on your church to learn songs, ukuthi icula kanjani, all the stuff. Guys, please support me, subscribe to my channel, click the notification icon, and let's move on, guys. Let's go, let's keep going. Recommend this channel to everyone who wants to learn music, wants to learn it, and I will post a lot of information. Guys, I'm finally back. Thanks to all supportile project done instead of for the keyboard. Thanks a lot. God bless you. God bless you a lot. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Bye.